Hello everyone, Mark here from CNC Sourced. In today's video, I want to provide you with a beginner's guide to CNC programming. CNC programming is what allows you to control CNC machines like mills, lathes, and 3D printers. It's what translates your design into instructions that the machine can follow to cut, drill, or print your part. I'll explain what CNC programming is, whether it's difficult to learn, what a CNC programmer does, and share some tips for getting started with programming. First, what exactly is CNC programming? CNC stands for Computer Numerical Control. CNC programming involves creating instructions for the CNC machine using software. These instructions control the movements and actions of the machine with regards to the material or workpiece. The instructions are written in a language called G-code. The G-code can either be created manually by the programmer or generated by CAM software, which stands for Computer-Aided Manufacturing. CAM software takes your 3D CAD model and converts it into toolpaths. The toolpaths define where the tool needs to move during the machining operation. The CAM software also includes parameters like the speed, feed rate, and tools to use. It then converts all of this information into G-code for the CNC machine to follow. G-code uses letters and numbers to instruct the machine. So what does a CNC programmer actually do? Their job is to create the instructions that tell the machine how and where to move, and by how much. The more complex the part, the more programming time is required. A simple square block with a hole may only take 3 minutes to program. But programming a complex 5-axis aerospace part could take multiple days. There are 3 main types of CNC programming. First is manual programming, where you write each line of G-code yourself. This is very time-consuming, so it's rarely done today outside of simple programs. Next is CAM programming, where the CAM software generates the toolpaths and G-code for you. This enables programming of extremely complex parts. Lastly is conversational programming. Here you answer simple questions and pick options about the tools and operations you want to perform. The computer converts your choices into G-code. This is an easy and intuitive way to program simple parts. Now you may be wondering, how hard is it to learn CNC programming? The basics can be learned in a few days, but mastering complex 5-axis metal cutting requires years of experience. Difficulty depends on the machine, material, and part complexity. To be a good CNC programmer, you'll need some basic math skills along with the ability to listen, learn, and problem solve. Any CAD or CAM experience helps too. The best way to learn is through on-the-job training at a machine shop rather than trade school or college courses. I have a few tips for learning CNC programming. First, be honest if you don't understand something and ask questions. You can't fake your way through this. Next, be curious and proactive with self-learning. Watch YouTube videos and take action by practicing at work. Also, stay up to date on industry trends as programming will continue to evolve with artificial intelligence. Remember, robots may take over some machining jobs, but programmers will still be needed to make the robots work. CNC programmers use software like CAD to design parts, CAM to generate toolpaths from designs, and simulation to check for errors. Common programs are Fusion 360, Mastercam, and SolidWorks. CNC programmers are employed in nearly every manufacturing industry, from aerospace to medical devices. It's an in-demand career with plenty of potential for growth as technology advances. To wrap up, I hope this beginner's guide has provided insight into the world of CNC programming. We've just scratched the surface here, so I invite you to check out the deep dive article on our blog to learn more. Whether you're aspiring to become a CNC programmer or just want to better understand the process, be sure to subscribe and stay tuned for more content soon. Thanks for watching.